Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you exactly how you can add an underline to your text or document header on Google Docs. It is actually very simple, guys. So let us guide you through this so that you may apply it for yourselves. As you can see here in that example document, we added a header underline like that one here. So let me undo that really quickly and show you step by step how you can model that. So in the first step, double click on your header to highlight it just like that. And after that, click into Format here at the top, hover your mouse over Paragraph and Styles, and click into Borders and Shading here to the right. And what you want to do after that, here in that menu or in that setup, is select your bottom border next to Position, just like that, and customize your bottom border, for example, by applying a custom border width. So let me go with a pretty thin border width, like 0.5 pt. You may also customize the color, so let me go with, let's say, something like orange, and so on and so forth. And once you're content with your setup, guys, click on Apply to apply these changes. And as you can see now, that header features an underline like this, and that's how it works in practice, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.